Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to set up Instagram shop in 2025. So just open your Instagram and make sure you will just move in the right bottom corner option is your profile. And right now I will already set up, but I want to show you how it's you will be able. So we will move in the top right corner of three lines. Just tap, and right now you will just see the four professionals. So just tap on creator tools and control. Just tap, scroll down, and there's an option of switch account type. So if you just get in, so the personal account is the common, but you will just have to switch to business account, or you will just have to add new professional. So you will just tap for go professional, and right over here you will just have add your setup for shops details and it. And after we will go back and you will just see like this professional dashboard when you just set up your Instagram shop. So you will just have to edit profile and scroll down, and as you can see there's an option action buttons. So right now this will be non-active, and you will just have to select an action button. Can help you gain customer directly from your profile, connect the button to an online service, or add a lead form to gather contact for. So from here you will just have to set up. So in this way you will just have to set up Instagram shop in 2025 full guide. Thank you so much for watching.